Hello, my name is Jimmy Costello from the NX Product Marketing team. Today, we will be looking at how we should go about revising designs when we are working in managed mode. Data items in Teamcenter are called objects. An object describes a part, design, document, or other entity stored in your system. We can create new revisions of existing objects using NX. If we would like to make changes to this front panel of the Doom buggy, we can begin by selecting Save As from the upper left-hand side of our screen. Doing this will open the Save As dialog window with a variety of customizable settings. The first thing we should do is select if our part is saved as a new item or a new revision. Items are the fundamental objects used to manage information in Teamcenter. Item revisions are used to reflect modifications to designs through its product lifecycle. For this video's purpose, we will explore the new revision option. Next, we can now create our item revision number. To do this, we can double-click on the red asterisk under the Name and Attributes section. The first drop-down on the left-hand side controls the scope of the items we will save. This is automatically set to our work part, but there is also an option to choose selected parts. This is a nice feature when revising an assembly, but for this case, since we are just making changes to a single piece part, this option isn't necessary. After that, there are a few additional parameters we can control. There is a checkbox we can select that will replace all components in our session. For example, if we have two assemblies in session that each have the same item revision, both will be updated to reference the new revision that is created. Additionally, we can select if any dependent files, such as JPEGs for drawings, are included in this new revision. And lastly, we can select if any change notices are attached. Change notices are a great tool to manage detail modifications and updates throughout the design process. The last thing to pay attention to are these extra options at the bottom of the Name and Attributes section. Here, we can add on any secondary attributes. We can also see which non-master parts are included by selecting the Edit Non-Masters to Copy button. And there is also an option to save this part under existing projects. In conclusion, in this video, we've explored the basics of revising a design in managed mode. There are a variety of settings and options to look at when revising a part, including the Save As scope, dependent files, and change notices. I would like to thank you for your time and attention.